Cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana. The go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana.
So I was gonna do shadow, but I'm not now because I am trying to go outside with my friend. My friend like, girl, where's you at? What you doing? So it's always the time like, dang, I'm doing something. I'm always doing it late. I feel like my brows is like not going. Okay, yeah, let me fix this shit. But yeah, I would do an eyeshadow, but it's gonna take too long. Okay, places close at 2, so it's like 9. Is my mom working? Okay. Y'all see the milk? We're gonna do this. We're gonna moisturize our face. I'm taking this Tatcha mist and I'm just gonna spray my face real quick because I want it to be like, come on, I need it to be dewy. Okay, so before I put moisturizer on, I'm gonna take my I wish I had some Becca. I'm gonna take my Poreless Professional Primer. Oh, I think this be gonna be cute. I'm gonna use the concealer on my face again. The concealer method. I think I love this method. It's quick. It's quick. It's easy. Okay, so I took 10 cent only right there because last time I took it, it made my face. I feel like it made my face too white. But I'm a like set with darker powder. I took it and now I'm gonna take Butterscotch. This is the Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch. It's super coverage. That's what they say. I never read that part where it said that. Okay, so I'm going on the sides of my nose. I'm gonna take deep fill down the bridge of my nose. Okay, so I see my nose is in the middle for real. And try from the multi-sculpting concealer in. So I'm taking my stick and I'm going to in the last video I dragged it that way. I still I'm about to blend this. I'm not worried. I wasn't trying to. It's probably dry, but you really don't want that to happen. So make sure you wash that because you don't want that line down the bridge of the nose to do that. I'm adding new Caledonia. Put butterscotch on my eyelids. Want it to be like real opaque. I just want it to be there, you know. So I'm taking Sasha Buttercup. So I'm taking the regular one. I was using it light. I did order another powder. What? I took Buttercup, actual Buttercup. $4.30. Put on a soft lash, probably. I'm taking these two and I'm going to blush and right in there with the bronzer. I'm gonna put a line under my eyes and then lips. Okay, so I'm adding my lip. This down face again, but I'm definitely mixing down face with liquid lipstick. So I'm doing the same lashes that I did last time.